Are you ready for a little bit of silliness? I'm going to tell you about the Arizona Screen Recorder app that I got for my Samsung phone. I would go into the ultimate, well, let's get this started. I'm going to click Arizona Screen Recorder, and it's going, once it's all set up, you're going to get this record button. You want to put this record button either up high or down low, because after we record what's going on the screen, we're going to crop the screen so no one sees the magic behind what we're going to do. So I'm going to put this at the top. Now I'm going to create my scenery and choose what I'm going to animate. I open up my background eraser. I'm going to choose a picture that I've already removed the background from. I have a section called Candy Cup Designs. It has a whole bunch of pictures of candy cups I've already erased, the backgrounds too. Let's get a little gremlin. Here's my gremlin. Now I'm going to skip that screen, and I'm going to skip this screen by pushing the check mark till it says add background. I'm going to add my background. I'm going to choose my background from my gallery. I'm going to go into my backgrounds folder where I've been collecting and saving What if it's a haunted house? Now that I have my character and I have a background, I make him the size I want him to start off. I have him really itty bitty tiny. There he is, he's really tiny. Now I am going to click on my recorder. I'm going to push the top button of the camera for record. It's going to capture everything that is displayed on the screen and everything that I am saying. It counts down, and now it's recording. Now it doesn't record my finger, it just records whatever my character does. So I'm going to hop my character around the screen, and I'm going to pinch and make him get larger and larger and larger and larger and larger. Now that I'm ready to stop recording, I click on here, and I can pause it or I can stop it. I'm going to stop it. Now I'm going to click on this little magic wand, let it know that I want to start manipulating my video. And you can see my balloon is now animated on the background that I have chosen. Now I'm going to do some trimming. I'm going to tell it that I want to crop the video. Now only this section is going to be seen. But I'm going to go up here. I'm going to go down there. And then you can sit and watch just to make sure that it is coming up exactly the way you want it. I like that. So now I'm going to click on crop video. My video is now cropped. But it's a very short lag time before my balloon actually starts moving. So now what I want to do is I want to open it up and I want to trim the ends of the video. So I'm going to click up here on the magic wand. And I'm going to, it's already set to trim, so I'm going to grab and I'm going to cut right there. I'm going to trim it. So now when my movie starts, let's play. Yep, as soon as you click it, there's not much hesitation before my gremlin starts dancing around. And if I want to put music to it, I really haven't gotten that far in learning how to do that. But that is what you want to do when you want to animate your balloons, have a little bit of fun.